In this video, I'm going to show you a very useful shortcut powered by Apple Intelligence. As always, you'll find all of my shortcuts in the description of this video, so you can download and use them completely for free on your own device. Enjoy! I know you are busy, you don't have a lot of free time, I respect that, so let's go straight to the topic of this video. The shortcut is called Daily Apple Health Report, and it combines the power of Apple Intelligence and data from your Apple Health app. Basically, this AI-powered shortcut processes your health data using Apple Private Cloud Compute, and it provides you with a comprehensive feedback about your current health state. All you have to do is simply launch this shortcut, provide your age, wait a couple of seconds, and you will see a comprehensive breakdown of your current health situation. So for example, daily steps, my count is 25,840, which is excellent. Walking over 25,000 steps per day indicates a very active lifestyle, blah blah. Resting heart rate 58 BPM, so it also provides me with a feedback which is very good. A resting heart rate indicates a good health condition. It also provides me my average HRV, and it gives me a feedback about my HRV, which is in a good range. Higher HRV indicates greater autonomic nervous system flexibility. It also provides me with my cardio fitness level, and it also places me in the excellent category for my age. This is why I like this shortcut, because it combines data from your Apple Health app. Obviously, if you have an Apple Watch, you have a ton of data inside this app, and it also uses the power of Apple Private Cloud Compute to analyze and interpret this data into this kind of comprehensive feedback, which you can read every day and understand a little bit better what's going on with your current health state. You can even check your consumed dietary energy. If you're logging your calories, it provides you with a feedback. So, you know, it's a kind of little nice shortcut powered by Apple Intelligence. Everything is private, so the data is not being shared with ChatGPT. Everything is processed using Apple Private Cloud Compute, which is definitely a good solution for people who care about privacy. At the end of this shortcut, you can also check the overall summary of your current health markers. Now let's study the structure of the shortcut so you can better understand how it works. As always, everything is super simple. First, the shortcut is going to ask you for a number to define your age. In my case, it's 28, so you can also add the default number. I'm going to remove it, for instance. Then the shortcut gets the text and sets a variable for your age you have just provided. Next, the shortcut is going to look health samples in the Health app. All you have to do is simply define the type of health data you want to look for, and it will also set a custom variable for every health samples used for the analysis. As you can see, I've added quite a lot of them. For example, VO2 max in the last 30 days. I've added a bunch of different stuff like resting calories, blood oxygen. You can, of course, customize the shortcut and replace my health samples by your own categories. Let's say you are interested by blood oxygen or, I don't know, caffeine, stuff like that. You can always customize it and tailor it to your own usage. Just make sure to rename the variable after each health samples. If you are changing the type, you have to rename the variable name, because it will later influence the analysis that will be done by Apple Intelligence. So for instance, I'm changing the health samples for exercise minutes. I have to set variable to exercise minutes, right? Let's go down and let's go down in the shortcut, and I have this little text box where I have health report, use current date, daily steps. So I've just added a variable for every health data, resting heart rate variable. So basically when the shortcut will be launched, it will use the data from the health app, and it's kind of difficult to explain, but I hope you got the idea. Again, it's just an example of my structure. You can add more health categories if you wish. You can also remove them if you are not interested in particular things. This is something that works for me. And finally, it uses the cloud model, the Apple Private Cloud Compute. It uses the data from this text box, and it analyzes my health data and provides me a comprehensive feedback. Everything is super simple. So let's launch the shortcut. Provide your age, 28, tap done, wait a couple of seconds, and you will get a daily Apple Health report based on the data from the Apple Health app. How cool is that? And honestly, it works surprisingly well. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're interested in the shortcuts, I made a whole series of videos about my custom-made shortcuts. You can find these videos on my YouTube channel, so check them out if you're interested. Thanks again for watching and have a nice day. Peace.